M0FXB. Big thanks to Stephen for sending me the RADTEL RT900, the Bluetooth model. Let's unbox it. So these aren't expensive, £25, and they are beautiful. I've unboxed one before, the non-Bluetooth. They're beautiful. I'll just get everything out of the box. So obviously radio, antenna, charger, USB-C charging. Get the antenna on there. Just show you the battery. It's a really nice chunky battery on these. And then just click it down and you can see this got a Bluetooth. So when you're purchasing this, don't make the same mistake that I made, where I forgot to select the Bluetooth option because it's only a few pounds more. And so you may as well get it. That's what I think, even if you don't use it. So this one, 2,200 milliamp hour battery, USB-C charging. And it does have an LED light that lets you know that it's charging. Plug it in there and it goes green when it's charged. So get that back in the radio. So this, I just think it's a really beautiful, solid device. Let's turn it on. Look at that, just first impressions straight away. It just looks great. I know we've got the Quashangs and all that, so many different models that we can look at, but this is one of the best looking. Get the antenna on there. Like so. And a proper channel change knob. See it change at the bottom, the air bands in the bottom there, and then volume, nice clear color display. Now you know that color displays out in the sunlight are never that great, but anyway, it says here, look at that, the way it lists VFO twice. I haven't seen that before. Battery, you've got your Bluetooth lit up there, which we'll be doing as well in the video. And we can just type in, let's go A and B. Nice dedicated A and B. So my best airband is 133. And it does talk to you if you leave that turned on. So that's 133 automatic AM. And on the A band, I'm going to put in my node 43455, all the zeros. See if that comes to life. I'm not seeing a drop-in charger. Not that you need one, but I'm not seeing a drop-in charger. And it's such a big, at the base, it's so big, you don't really need it. Oh, see it says AM there. We don't want AM on the A band, we want FM, that's why it sounds funny. So to get the menu up, you push the bottom, it's like a double button, push the bottom end of the button. And then there's my firmware, and we'll check for updates. But let's just go up the menu to, there you are, AM or FM. So we're going to go up, we're going to select with the OK and then go up. The one that flashes that you're going to select and click OK. Hopefully that'll be louder now. So because it did sound a bit funny on AM, so 4. Let's go back to VFO, 43455. You got a little signal meter there. Up and down to change the frequency as well if you want. Oh, going the long way.
He's all right. Yeah, we're all going through it.
Bit of a double going on there. So you've got your usual twin pin there, which you can also use for programming. You've got the main PTT. I'm pretty sure you can set the function button to also be a PTT if you want it to be. And then we've also got broadcast radio. So it's pretty good because you've got broadcast radio, airband, and then you've got all the ham bands as well coming through clear there.
We're walking back, but it's...
The RADTEL RT900 does transmit from 18 megahertz upwards. Watch this test on UKCB band. I'm just going to press it there. You'll see it comes through. If I go from a distance here. 1, 2, test. And if we go the other way. So 1, 2, press the button a bit harder. 1, 2, test. I noticed it didn't like it on. It doesn't like the receiver. It could be the antenna. You know, ultimately it's a 2 meter and 77 antenna. So look at the menu. We just go here, and you can scroll through all the items. It's the usual. You can set your repeater. Well, if there is new firmware, I'll make a video on that. There's your Bluetooth on and off. But there are shortcuts here. If you look at this blue writing here, you've got shortcuts for pretty much everything. Memory, step, DTMF, scan, power, squelch, dual watch. FM, tone, duplex, shift, etc. So lots of shortcuts there. Hit the bottom one. Just quickly go through the menu. So press OK to select it, then you go up and down. Let's go from 1. Going the wrong way there. Squelch, frequency step, power, super mode, Vox, wider narrow band, that's your screen background, twin receive, beeps, timeout. Well, that's quite low, isn't it? So click OK. I just want it to off really. So then the one that's flashing is the one you select. Memory channel storage, deleting, CTCSS if we want it, receive and transmit DCS, and channel name adding using the radio, which I've made videos on already. Language, Chinese or English. Shift plus and minus CTCSS and CTCSS amount. Again, watch my videos on adding a repeater to this set. Tones. So yeah, packed with features, back to Bluetooth. If we exit, I mean, look at this. If we go O, to exit completely. O, in VFO mode, of course, you can type frequency 018. And look, it TXs, you know, I mean, all right, it's never going to be good, but the fact that it does is interesting, isn't it? And so then VFO and memory mode is up here. Exit, and then you've got A and B to top and bottom. And then if you want to use these shortcut buttons, you know, these scans, you just go menu 1. Actually, no, let's try holding them first. There you are, it works. It's now scanning. It's scanning memory channels. Exit. No, press scan again. No, PTT. Okay, so let's go into VFO mode. And then do scan again. Yeah, not super fast, but it's okay if you've got memory channels in there. Surprised exit doesn't work. Picking something up there. So let's try another one. Let's hold down duplex. Oh, still scanning, of course. Okay, let's hold down duplex. And you start to get the plus and the minus. That's taking us straight to the menu. Power, hold that down. High power. So there's shortcuts for everything as well. So let's just go over quickly to see if the app reads, and I'll show you where to download it. So at the RADTEL downloads, we've got the app for iPhone and Android. We've also got CPS programming software and firmware. But for now, just scan the QR code of your Android device and then open up the app and you'll see what is here on my phone. It says RT900 at the top. Go to menu 47, so just go menu, bottom OK, 47, and you'll see Bluetooth. Just make sure that is on, okay? On. Oh, that was off. Let's just go. Click OK. On needs to flash, and then click OK. That's confirmed, and now we can exit. So Bluetooth is on. And now go up just here, just go. You do need to select a profile, otherwise it doesn't like it if you don't select a profile. Just remember that I've created a profile called M0FXB. It's like saving a group. So that's the profile we're using. So let's just go connect. And then it says walkie-talkie. Hit walkie-talkie. And then we can now read and write. So if you're not connected to a profile, it won't read and write. See, someone's speaking there. So. And it won't let you read and write when someone's speaking either. Another one I find handy is if you go menu and to select AM FM, so you go menu and then go to 50. So you want FM, don't you? Go up to FM. Oh, wrong one. There's a squelch on number 0, by the way. Back to 50. Press OK. Up 1. FM's flashing. Press OK. So then we're in FM. And you got my node coming through there. It's on one of my memory channels. So let's hit our profile, M0FXB. And connect. like so. And then we're going to go read. You can see it reading. It does go like a darker grey, the screen. But anyway, we've read, and then go to well, this is the channels that we've got already saved. If you go here to profile, just go save. Look, I'm going to go like this and just go save. Once you've saved to a profile, then it's a lot. It prefers reading and writing, basically. You can change all your settings as well. It's a bit faffy, if you ask me. But I suppose, you know, I'd rather do it with the PC myself. Select profile, M0FXB, connect, walkie-talkie. No, it's a good, solid, good quality radio. It has very good reception. Let's go to read again. I mean, they're so well priced, these devices, aren't they? So you put in your name just by tapping, you put in the frequency, CT, CSS, all that kind of thing. If you go to optional features, you can change all the settings, the brightness, how long the screen is on for, just all the settings that are in the radio. And then when you're done, you go save, like so, back home. Select profile, M0FXB. Come on then. I'll hit the connect again. That's a bit annoying. And then write. Okay. And it's writing now. So give it a go, and I'll make another video playing around with the CPS. Let's have a look here. See the way it's got two lots though? The newer one says 512. I am tempted. And you've got the upgrade firmware, 512 channels, Bluetooth, 56A3. I'm just looking now. I'm just debating whether I'm going to do that now. It says, oh, there's a bit of a fix there. It says fixed middle low power, blah, blah, blah. I might give it a go. So let's download the firmware. Grab my Bofun cable. Give it a go, why not? Firmware here. And double click. Bluetooth noise canceller bootloader. So there's a lot of Bluetooth stuff there. There's actually a video to load the Bluetooth. Should I say firmware? Okay. Cable in. There's the program. So you hold down the bottom button and the orange button. Turn on, you're in firmware mode. And then on the actual software, the program, so it says update, you plug it in. Select the program they've given you, version 1.08, com, and send. Alright, I will do it, but I'm going to do it in a dedicated video. Bye for now.